Hey guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Carlos.
And in case you guys didn't already know, we are planning a trip around the world.
Around the world.
So today we're going to be talking about something that hopefully isn't needed while we're going on our trip, but we're going to be glad we have it just in case. And that is a legal document called a power of attorney.
What is a power of attorney?
I'm glad you asked. According to lawprofessor.com, a power of attorney is a written text where you allow someone else the ability to make certain choices when you're not available.
So basically, if any decisions need to be made or anything needs to be done at home while we're away, we can give someone the permission to do it on our behalf?
Right. And that person doesn't even need to be an attorney. It can actually be someone like a spouse or a parent. Anyone that you trust to make wise decisions for you. Make sure you trust them wholeheartedly because they will have access to make financial decisions, medical decisions for you, and basically anything that you're able to make a decision for yourself. So the two of us, we've decided to both make our moms our power of attorneys because we trust them to make wise decisions for us on our behalf.
Yeah, they've been doing it our whole lives, so why stop now?
Why stop now? That's good.
There's a couple of different occasions where this might come into play. None of them are particularly delightful, and we really don't want to think about it, but it's good to have this in place just in case things do go awry. But it's mainly to help as far as like if we get hurt and aren't able to make medical decisions for ourselves, or if anything happens to the house while we're away.
Or say if anything needs to be done in regards to our banking, like if we need to pay a bill that we're not able to pay on bill pay, or if they would need to cash any checks on our behalf, the power of attorney takes care of all of that. We're just getting it as a precaution. We definitely don't hope that any of these circumstances actually happen.
It's better to need it
and not use it.
And
wait.
Fool me once and a fool's... No.
It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Ding.
Ding ding.
The more you know. So anyone can get a power of attorney at any time, and you're able to cancel it whenever you're done with the service. The big part of it, though, is that the only person that can give your power of attorney is... You. So you're going to want to do this because a family member cannot give themselves permission to be your power of attorney if an emergency were to arise.
So that's why it's important to take care of this before you leave. So how do you get a power of attorney? Well...
Don't ask me.
I wasn't going to.
Okay,
All right. Well, you can actually find templates online that you can fill out. But you definitely will need to make sure that you execute them properly, which means you'll probably need a notary and you'll probably need witnesses, just depending on what the requirements are in your state. Or you can just go the route of going directly to an attorney so that you cover all your bases. So that might be a better way for you, depending on what you actually need to have covered on your power of attorney. So we actually even saw a living will, a will, and a power of attorney package on Living Social last week for $30. So that's always an option too. So there's definitely a variety of ways that you can get this completed before you leave on your trip. It's really up to you, so just make sure that you're all covered for the worst case scenario while you're having the best time of your life. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was week number 4. So next week's week number 5. And make sure you tune in next Monday for our video all about everything we're doing health-wise and medical-wise to get ready for our trip. So thank you guys so much. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Adios.
Sayonara.